Hello guys, welcome back once again to my YouTube channel on Transmission Line. In this series we will cover the following topics in each separate video. Earlier we viewed the video on cable support installation, cable drum unloading, cable pulling and sheath test. This video covers the topic on outdoor termination of cable. This video on outdoor termination of cable is subdivided into 3 parts. Part 1 will cover erection of scaffolding, cable positioning, heating, straightening and stripping. Part 2 will cover preparation of insulation, mounting of screen pot and stress cone. Part 3 will cover mounting of insulator, filling compound material and mounting head armature. Let's get aware of the main configuration of outdoor termination kit. Starting from the top. Head armature. Head fittings. Porcelain insulator. Silicone stress cone. Insulating filling compound. Base fittings. Post insulator. Screen pot. Now let's get familiarized with some of the assembly accessories. Heating mat. It is used for heating power cable before straightening. Alignment rail. It is used for straightening of power cable. The length of alignment rail may vary from 1 to 2 meter depending on requirement. Grinding machine. It is used for insulation preparation. Outer jacket cutter. It is used for longitudinal cutting of the outer sheath. Pipe cutter. It is used for cutting of aluminum corrugated sheath. Grease stick. It is used for lubricating stress cone. Block and tackle. It is used in multipurpose task for taking load. Unicut. It is used for cable preparation, peeling, removing and beveling the XLPE insulation. The cable is fixed into final position. Block and tackle is used to adjust the final position. Extra cable to be cut only after final positioning of cable. Once the cable positioning is finalized, measure the final cable requirement and then cut the excess cable. Extra 200 mm should be kept and need to be cut after heating and straightening to counteract the cable shrinkage. The assembly to be carried out in clean and dry conditions. Heat the cable by using induction heating mat for 4 to 6 hours. Preferably 80 to 90 degree temperature is kept. After 4 to 6 hours, Remove the heating mat and for straightening put the alignment rail above cable and allow the cable to cool for 12 hours. This will straighten the cable. Peeling need to be done only when the cable is straight. At desirable length as per the instruction manual, the outer sheath of 100 mm is removed without damaging the underlying laminated sheath. Remove a small portion of top graphite coating from where cable preparation will start by rubbing slowly with glass and then by emery grit paper. Slowly heat the outer HDPE sheath by using LPG and glow holder near the graphite removed area. Rotate a piece of wire radially above the heated HDPE layer and it will get cut, exposing the PE laminated aluminum foil. Rub the aluminum foil surface properly with wire brush and then clean it with acetone 2 to 3 times to get it metallically bright. The edges are carefully trimmed with glass, and copper tape is wrapped above the exposed PE laminated aluminum foil. The HPDE layer along with PE laminated aluminum foil is cut until the preparation end by using outer jacket cutter. Remove the HDPE layer along with PE laminated aluminum foil by using cable opener towards the preparation end. Remove the semi-conductive swellable tape above the copper wire screen. cut the transverse wrap binder open copper tape in the preparation end, and remove it. At desirable length, the copper wire screen is bundled and extra portion is trimmed. Remove the copper tape and wrap 2 to 3 layers of fiberglass tape at the junction of copper wire screen and PE laminated aluminum foil. Bend back the copper wire screen and set it properly by gently hitting with hammer. Once the entire copper wire got bent, tie it with PVC tape. Remove the semiconductive swellable tape above the insulation screen. Now the extra 200 mm cable which is kept earlier is cut. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please like, subscribe and share. In the next video, we will see the insulation preparation and insulator mounting.